Excellence in dental daily practice, valuable therapeutic innovation. Research, progress, technology. Medical science evolves day after day and diagnostic and therapeutic capability with regard to patients improves. On the other hand, the problem of costs, even in countries in which the financial situation is favourable, shifts the focus towards a rapid and economical solution of the problem to the detriment of quality and safety in therapeutic interventions. When a pathology arises, the patient is faced with a choice in which clinical, economical, scientific and personal elements are balanced out by osmosis. The choice of saving money inevitably sacrifices the quality, the duration and the efficacy of one's personal treatment. What benefits are there in terms of safety when you choose a dental clinic of excellence? The instruments need to undergo a complex procedure before they can be placed in a patient's mouth. Every instrument has to be perfectly cleansed with specific liquids that deactivate dangerous pathogens like viruses and bacteria. In order to be sterile, the instruments need to undergo a further procedure in an autoclave. In addition to sterilizing the instrument, it also needs to be traced, namely indicate in a specific label precisely who packaged the instrument, in which autoclave the cycle was carried out, at what temperature and for how long, and what day and at what time the procedure took place. This applies not only to manual instruments like probes or mirrors, but also for drills and scalers for calculus. A dental clinic of excellence needs to dedicate more than 2 hours of processing in order for each instrument to meet safety regulations, to have various duplicates of the same instrument, and to have a lot of specific equipment in order to guarantee the patient's safety. The patient's safety is guaranteed above all by the quality of his dentist. A dental clinic of excellence needs to purchase sophisticated CAD/CAM machinery that is not only very expensive, but also requires time to learn how to use it correctly. This also applies to many other technologies, the magnifying systems that allow greater precision, the use of lasers to avoid always using scalpels, computerized anesthesia that is completely painless, the separation of blood platelets in order to improve the healing process of surgical wounds, invisible orthodontics with transparent aligners so as not to compromise the patient's appearance, and much more. The choice of the materials used is not random. For example, ceramic, which is the reconstruction material that best resembles teeth, can be prepared in a laboratory or industrially. Ceramic produced in a laboratory is handmade and therefore will also have the defect of being produced with umpteen variables that can change daily. Industrial ceramic is produced on a large scale and with parameters developed by companies that obviously have production standards that are much higher than those of a small artisan laboratory. The result? The product quality is undoubtedly different and guarantees a much longer duration. A clinic of excellence doesn't save money on the materials it puts into its patients' mouths. Research, progress, technology, safety, health, guarantee of excellence. All this is narrated by our patient smiles.